What's going on, guys? Welcome back. I told you to hit that subscribe button and the bell notification icon so you know when I post a new video like today, because today is the day of the unboxing video. I gone ahead and opened everything up, cut all the seals possible to save some time. So let's go ahead and get started.
Alright, now we will be unboxing the DJI Mavric Air Flight Mode Combo. Now this is just an unboxing video. I'll have an overview and setup video later on. So we're just going to go over some of the basic accessories that come with it out of the box. So as you can tell, you get a traveling case, Mavric Air, which comes into this suede hard case and is really nice and it's durable. I feel like it'll hold up to a moderate fall. Now you also get this box that contains paperwork and the propeller guards. The paperwork pretty much explains to you how to set up the drone, the propeller guards, how to attach them, the remote controller, charging it, and all of that, battery information. Now the propeller guards you can use to fly indoors or if you're in beginner's mode. Now the traveling case is only included with the Flight Mode Combo. It's a nice suede material. You get a pouch in the front, you get another pouch in the back for the smaller accessories. It's a nice roomy pouch. Go ahead, eat the silica gel while you're at it. I'm just kidding, don't do that. It even has the DJI badge on it. So let's go ahead and get inside. Now now that you get it open, you're exposed to a box and the remote controller. We'll get more into detail about the remote controller in the overview video. Now let's go ahead and open up the box. In the box, you're exposed with extra cables to connect several different devices with the remote controller, but we'll get more into detail about that in the overview. Next, you also get 2 extra sets of propellers. There's another set that's already attached on the Mavric Air, so you get 3 sets total. Next, you can also get an adapter that plugs into the remote controller so you can charge it with the USB cable, and also extra joysticks just in case you lose the original ones. Now, you also get a battery to power bank adapter, so you connect this to the battery and charge any USB device. And you also get the USB-C cable to charge the remote controller with that adapter. Now under that box is a flap, and if you flip that open, you get the AC power brick. You also get the battery hub, which is only included for the Flight Mode Combo. You also get the AC to power brick cord, and you also get 2 additional batteries, including the one that's in the Mavric Air aircraft itself. Alright, so that concludes this video. So thanks for watching. Go ahead and hit that subscribe button so you don't miss out on the overview and setup videos. And go ahead and give this a thumbs up if you enjoyed this video. Comment below if you guys would like to see more or help me improve this content. And we'll see you guys next week.